Gluing metal to plastic is one of the most common repair tasks in automotive, hobby, and household projects. The right adhesive must deliver a strong, durable bond across dissimilar substrates, resist moisture, tolerate temperature swings, and remain usable without clogging or premature drying.
Product number 1. 2-pack metal glue. Crenimagi's 2-pack metal glue emphasizes versatility and a leak-proof package. The set provides two 25-gram bottles of high-strength cyanoacrylate adhesive designed for metal-to-metal and metal-to-plastic bonds, with claims of resistance to water and heat and a clear dry. The dual-pack format is convenient for ongoing projects, and the precision tip supports controlled, mess-free application. The formulation targets a broad material compatibility: rubber, wood, epoxy resin, ABS, PVC, while explicitly avoiding PE, PP, or some synthetics, which is typical for many CA-based products. In practical use, the precision tip helps align joints on vertical surfaces and reduces squeeze-out. The fast-setting nature, initial set in seconds, full cure around 24 hours, makes it suitable for quick repairs like reattaching small metal brackets or repairing consumer electronics housings. Notably, the product lists a high viscosity gel-like behavior that aids gap control, though the instruction states a 5 to 10 second press to complete bonding. The 118 milliliter total volume per bottle provides ample material for larger projects, but users should ensure proper ventilation due to CA fumes and avoid contact with skin. Long-term durability hinges on proper surface prep and ensuring compatible substrate materials. It clearly notes it is not suitable for PE, PP, or some plastics.
Product number 2. Gorilla Superglue Gel XL. Gorilla's Gel XL is a thick, no-run formulation designed for vertical applications and broad material compatibility. The gel consistency helps prevent dripping during application and suits vertical surfaces where runny liquids would fail. The clear finish reduces visibility of the adhesive line, preserving aesthetics on visible joints. The packaging includes an anti-clog cap to minimize dryout and a relatively fast cure window, 10 to 45 seconds per the spec, with a full cure in 24 hours. Performance-wise, this Gorilla Gel bonds across glass, plastic, metal, ceramic, rubber, and more, making it a versatile option for mixed material repairs. The high-viscosity gel reduces mess on uneven surfaces and provides a forgiving user experience for less than perfect surface prep. However, as with many CA gels, maximum strength develops with proper clamping and clean surfaces. The package notes waterproofing, but not explicitly heat cycling data. The 25-gram size is moderate for occasional repairs, but may feel limited on larger assemblies where more material is required.
Product number 3. WoldoClean's Super Glue for Metal 25-gram Extra Strong Metal Glue for Stainless Steel. WoldoClean promotes a 25-gram bottle designed for strong bonds on metal surfaces, stainless steel, and aluminum, with instant bonding on metal, and broad compatibility with rubber, plastic, wood, ceramics, and more. The formulation highlights high heat resistance, -49 degrees Fahrenheit to 239 degrees Fahrenheit, and water and chemical resistance, making it suitable for automotive or outdoor repairs. The precision tip and anti-clog cap align with expectations for reliable, controlled application and long shelf life. In practice, you should expect a quick tack and strong initial hold, with full cure in 24 hours. The product's emphasis on corrosion resistance and outdoor durability supports uses such as repairing outdoor metal components or automotive parts exposed to weather. Its broad material compatibility makes it a good all-rounder, but the product's best sellers rank in cyanoacrylate adhesives suggests mainstream appeal rather than specialist niche. The bottle format and high viscosity formulation help minimize drips when applying to vertical surfaces. Product number 4. Rubber glue. Moskinley's rubber glue targets rubber to rubber and rubber to other material bonds with a focus on elasticity and abrasion resistance. The 30-gram can includes 3 droppers for controlled dispensing and a formula built to withstand heat, moisture, and outdoor exposure. It markets itself as a heavy-duty rubber adhesive suitable for tires, seals, gaskets, shoe soles, and hoses, highlighting versatility across automotive and DIY contexts. In practice, the adhesive promises quick drying, 10 to 45 seconds, with full cure at 24 hours and waterproof performance. The rubber-centric composition is beneficial for flexible joints and dynamic loads, but bond strength to metal or rigid plastics may vary depending on surface prep and substrate rigidity. The 3 droppers feature is convenient for multiple applications, yet buyers should verify substrate compatibility beyond rubber, as performance on plastics or metals might require a different formulation. Users should also be mindful of potential flex in high-stress assemblies, as the product emphasizes elasticity.
Product number 5. Gorilla Superglue with Brush. Gorilla's brush nozzle variant adds a dual dispensary approach, a fine brush for broader coverage, and a precision tip for targeted joints. This packaging aims to blend ease of use with precision, enabling both surface-wide coats and spot repairs. The formulation remains a cyanoacrylate adhesive with a medium viscosity, providing a balance between gap filling and control, and it shares Gorilla's typical claims of impact toughness and a clear finish. Practical performance hinges on the user's ability to select the appropriate dispensing method for a given joint. The brush is useful for larger surfaces, while the precision tip supports smaller, tight-fitting joints. Cure times align with the family standard, 10 to 45 seconds initial set, 24 hours full cure. While it is versatile across many substrates, explicit heat or water immersion ratings aren't singled out beyond standard waterproof claims. The 12-gram volume makes it ideal for small repairs and hobby tasks, but may require resealing often to prevent drying out.